Nurse, this unboxing has arrived in critical condition. Please, nurse, get this wired up while I get gowned up. Nurse, it's flatlined. I'm going to have to go in. So this is what I've actually bought, a 4-inch vise. That's hopefully a little bit more precision than the one that I used to have, or still have. And I bought this because it's quite a versatile vise. You can take the jaws off and put them there. You can put a jaw here, or you can put a jaw here, and you can use it horizontally like this, on its side, or vertical. So yeah, first impressions are it looks all right. How accurate it is, who knows? I can't measure it, so we'll see. You'll see this in future videos anyway. And I've also bought myself some split point drills, so hopefully these won't wander in the CNC. So yeah, we'll see how we get on with those. They don't look particularly well ground, but we'll find out when we use them. And lastly, I've never had a set of riser blocks, so I thought I'd treat myself. So here we are. These are 60 by 30 by 15, and I couldn't use imperial ones because I don't really understand imperial, so metric it is. Right, having thoroughly examined this vise, the end is not well ground, so using it vertically might not be that accurate. And also exactly the same this end, it's a little bit rough, but we'll see how it works. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you've had a laugh. The eagle-eyed of you may have spotted that there's an extra button on the CNC control panel. Also, the keypad is missing. The keyboard, I should say. The damn thing went wrong, so I've had to buy another one, and which is why I've been a bit slow in getting a video out, because I just been chasing bits and pieces down. Thanks for watching. Do hit the bell and the subscribe banner, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm off to see if the wife has still got the nurse's kit on.